Today, using our brand new subscription box, which is 56, and it's all about the door reveal die, we're going to be making this cute little new home card. Or it could be any card, whatever you like. We're going to be making this one, so let's pop that one to the side for now. And what I am going to do is I'm going to bring in a couple of pieces of our pattern paper and our cardstock, all included within the subscription box. And then I'm going to take this largest perforated house die and I'm going to sit that just in the middle to the side. So this one is 5.5 by 3.5, and you'll see I've measured it just so it's slightly big enough to fit within the pattern paper. And then we can come in and I'm going to use my low tack tape to hold it down. So what we can then do is bring in our folder. I'm going to be using our MIDI. You can of course use any of your Geminis, your Junior, your large Gemini, or of course if you have another die cutting machine, it will still work. So let's move all that out of the way. So if I bring that one into play, I'm then going to carefully take the die off. Now what I have done is I have done that again, but I have chopped out the door. So I've already chopped away the door, and then I'm bringing in that piece of pattern paper because this is actually going to act as our template so that we can get our stamp sentiment in that perfect position. I'm not going to adhere it all together just yet. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold it lightly with some low tack tape. I'm going to go in with my rustic brown alcohol proof and stamping platform. You can use any of your inks, it's entirely up to you. Let's go in with Happy New Home because this can be a lovely new home card. We're going to pop that into the middle. We're going to ink it up, and then what we can do is come in and then we can stamp Happy New Home within the middle. Press that one in. You could add some of your embellishment stamps if you want to, but then that means by following that template, and that can be scrap, doesn't have to be pattern paper, I know that that is going to be in the perfect position when we open up that door. So what we can then do is take our adhesive, now go round the edges. The only bit you need to make sure you don't go on is the back of the door, otherwise the recipient won't be able to open it. So let's add that one in, and because we have used this as a template, I can go straight over the top and it is all perfect. Then what I'm going to do is, using that same die, I have die cut that one into another piece of the green and just snipped it out. So we're going to give this an additional layer. So this one, I'm going to go over the back, add our good adhesive, and then I want to make sure that I do get that in the exact same cutting position as the pattern paper. Therefore, that perforation is all going to open at the same time. And then what I've done with the additional dies that you get included, I've gone in and I have die cut out this little house shape. That is in our multi-purpose card. And then you've got all of these stamps to get decorating with. So what I have done, using black noir, I've gone in and I've stamped the rooftop, I've stamped the house door and the window, and then by adding a few colours from my classiques, I've done a little bit of colouring. Then this one, we're also going to add over the top. So we've got a lot of depth within this one, even although I'm keeping it flat. You can add your foam pads if you so wish. We're going to then press that into place, and then I can go in with my card blank. So this we can start to adhere onto our card. I'm going to work all my way around, add in my tape. This can sit nicely, snugly in the middle. And then we want to fill this bit. So with some of the pattern paper, the cardstock, and that ribbon, I've done a little bit of a wrap all the way round. So that can sit nicely to the side. pulling all that colour in, but it breaks away at that edge. And then using one of the many, many sentiments I've gone, you are the sweetest. So someone that you know and love that's got a new house, they're going to decorate it in their own sweet style. You can then, of course, personalise it to their taste. And using another piece of that ribbon that comes included, I've done a little bow that can sit nicely to the top there. Press it in. What we do just need to make sure is that sentiment doesn't overlap that door reveal. Give that to the recipient and they will be able to open that up, not knowing what it says behind there. Use one of those stamp sets, use whichever ones that you so wish, but that is what you can make using our subscription box 56, which is all about the door reveal dies.